Welcome to Weekend Projects, where I bring you quick projects aimed to inspire your own shop projects. On this episode, I make a quick bookshelf from scrap steel and some plywood. I start work over at the horizontal bandsaw, cutting some 25mm square hollow section. The bandsaw is set to 45 degrees to suit the miter cuts. Once all the parts are cut out, it's over to the belt grinder for a quick clean up and remove paint from the area being welded. I'm using the welding fixture table today as my bookshelf has 3 identical frames. This will ensure they all come out square and the identical size. This is especially important with the mitered corners, which are often tricky to get square. I've got the fixture table set up with fixed stops on 2 sides of the frame and adjustable stops on the 3rd side. Each part is then located against the stops and clamped down. The stops remain in place for all the parts, ensuring consistent finish. At this point I tack the corner joints using my TIG torch. For this project I could have also used the MIG welder, but I enjoy getting a bit of practice with the TIG welder and in the reduced cleanup. At this point the parts flipped over end on end and reclamped to the table, with the length being checked as I don't have any stops on the 4th side. Once again I tack the corners with the TIG welder. With the corners all tacked, I can remove the frame from the fixture table and proceed to finish weld the joints. I'm using a foot pedal to control the torch. This allows fine adjustment of the current as you're welding. Once all the corner joints are finished welded, I head back over to the horizontal bandsaw, where I cut some mounting tabs at a steel flat bar. These will support the middle shelves. These are centre punched and drilled for mounting holes. Once drilled, they chop down to their final size on the horizontal bandsaw. Then I clamp them in place for welding. This proves to be a bit of a balancing act to get them standing upright. At this point, I weld them one side and they're done. With that done, the next job is to give them a coat of paint. And then that's the frames finished. The next part of the job is to cut out some plywood shelves. I mark out the first shelf and then cut it with the circular saw. I then repeat this process until all the shelves are complete. Once all the shelves are cut out, I use a belt sander to clean up the edges. Followed by a quick clean up of the face with some fine sandpaper. The edges are then cleaned up with a bit of sandpaper before giving it a good clear coat. Frames are then attached to the wall and the shelves installed. So that's my bookshelves done. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. Catch you next time.